Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to measure snow. In order to do that, you need to have a coat, a hat, boots, and you also need a ruler. This is a great place for me to measure. We've shoveled this area out for my little dog to be able to walk around, but it also shows us the depth of the snow very well because it's piled up behind the fencing. So to measure, start with your ruler, and you want to look for the number 1 on the ruler. That side is going to go down. So I'll hold that down to the ground. And to see how deep it is, I look at the top level of the snow and where that lines up with the ruler. Here on my ruler, it lines up at about 9 inches. In order to check when you don't have an area that has been shoveled out like this, you simply take the ruler and put it down into the snow the same way and measure the top level. Here the snow is at about 8 inches. So as you can see, it varies slightly, and that's due to the wind blowing the snow. So in order to get an accurate measurement, it's good to have a sampling of multiple areas. There you go. Now you know how to measure how deep the snow is.